give people the thinking that they can disrespect this badge and say Pirates is just a name. That statement doesn't make me sleep. For me, it's nonsensical.
Hey, into ebangwayo apha ngokuncana mntanam. Akusabangwa leyo oyithetha akusabanga ubuthongo qha. Ubuthongo bukaChe.
Uyazi yena xa sake explain abakithi iyayenza sense kancane. But ubuthongo baChairman. Sikhala ngobuthongo. uChairman angalalanga buti. Siyafuna thina abanye ukukufilela because yabona bakithi hey kubi kodwa phela ubuthongo. Mhlambe ungashele noma i-on goal eyi-1 xa ubona ukuthi asikori. I-on goal eyi-1 but or makhona oza kuwe ziwise do something ahamba yokora. Ungadefend angathi uphambene. Sizawuxolaka.
Tina, as a fans of Orlando Pirates, we no longer care about the Pirates is just another team or just another name. Sesikhayela nje ubuthongo bukaChairman wethu. Siyayibona leyo kwa Pirates is just another team or just another name. But ubuthongo bukaChairman sisebuthongweni apho sikhoyo. Asikho kwenye indawo sisebuthongweni apho sikhoyo. And uChairman uthe akangaphinda lali. Akakatsho ngokuba uye waphinda ufumana ubuthongo. So assume is that ba akakalali uChairman wethu. So sisebuthongweni apho sikhoyo. Sifuna nje ubuthongo bukaChairman wethu, simple thina. Eyoba kwathiwa Pirates is just another name, just another team, we don't care. Ubuthongo bukaChairman sisebuthongweni apho sikhoyo.
Hawu kodwa uNkulunkulu wami sesi-intimidate umfana kwazi kwafika kuleli simo esikusona kanjena. Umfana uyaqhaqhazela umeduze kwe-defending champion ewubhodlela. Phela ubhodlela uyi-defending champion. Angithi sesiyithatha kwesi4 kulandelana. Isingisi sithi for 4 consecutive years we've been ama-MTN8 champions. So manje uyadefenda anakulokhu ubhodlela. Uyambona umfana uyaqhaqhazela uyabo ngisho ekhuluma ugadile into azoyisho hayi phela hayi kwakungaliwa yabo sasingali ukuthi phela manje into esesenza sibe worried kangaka yabo lento wayisho last season sayiwinela ileague sayikhohlelwa thina iliyonto inkingi iBucks camp uthembe sesiyibona uSherman akazalali hawu phela asikwazi ubuthongo baSherman manje sibenze njani ngoba manje uSherman uthi akazalali yena. Hawu ngcono uvela uskorela ama-own goal ngalelalanga ngomgqibelo khona soxola. Ushaye nje ama-goal noma u2 ama-own goal. Yabo? Nina nithini? Ngoba manje uSherman phela hayi ngeke into enkulu kabi le uSherman ethalalanga. Hayi guys no.
3 minutes to 2 a.m. Akurareki. Rentoro yakuthi Pirates is just a name ayingiphathi kahle. Manje ngathi mina ngithwara umthwaro waChairman manje. Yangirimaza rentoro.
Siyakuzwa ncanana mntalasisi. Siyakuzwa uzama uku-explaina man. Ukuthi wena lento angayimini ngale ndlela esayizwa ngayo thina. Ende mina ngiyakucolenda futhi kuyayenza sense lento oyikhulumayo. Kodwa nje sesikhalela ubuthongo bukaChairman ngoba iChairman yakhala kakhulu man yathi lento ayilalisi nasebusuku. Kodwa ke singakucolela manje mfana wami monga nje sha 2 yama on goal Saturday. Yabona ngahlabela 2 yama on goal hawu. Sikweleti siphelini.
Okay. Uyasho uncanana uyachaza uncanana ukuthi indlela azimotivate ngayo. And ama fans amanye ama team abhiza athi hey thina aba Pirates fans senza ngamabhuli. Okay, samabhuli. But bathi thina vele njengama player into ehlezi vele njengama player nathi siyenza leyo nto leyo makoma tournament emakhaya hayi noma ulando bobani masingene groundings 11 against 11 okay it's fine but ubuthongo bakaSherman nayi ndesikhalisana ubuthongo bakaSherman thina bese siyekile yalala lento le but ubuthongo bakaSherman nayi ndesesiyilwela ke thina manje okunye siyakuzwa ukuthi hey uyazimotivate siyakuzwa ubuthongo bakaSherman. We're no longer fighting for the page now. Silwela ubuthongo bakaSherman. Asalwela ipage. Thina vele sihleli silwela ipage but la silwela ubuthongo bakaSherman. uSherman befanele ukuthi uyayiphumulela bene season emnandi eyiwinela ama-treble, but uzongalaliswa amagama, angalaliswa amagama. Ngeke sikhona, ngeke leyo nto nje ngeke izenzeke. We fighting for ubuthongo bakaSherman. Yebo, mandate is clear, we fight for ubuthongo bakaSherman. Ngeke ke bafowethu.
Kaze wawumsusi wodweshu Ncanana Mtakasisi. Ncanana ungubani na? Uyisigebengu sobuthongo, untshontsha ubuthongo bo-chairperson, untshontsha ubuthongo bo-chairman bakwi-PSL. Uma bedlale nawe uye uhambe uyantshontsha ubuthongo ukuthi bangasakwazi ukulala. Kwenzakalani?